Hi, I'm Kello with Q&A Incorporated, and quite often we get asked to dispose of our old clients' computers. Normally we take them in for recycling, but occasionally, because of a client's need for getting rid of sensitive information, we can't just recycle or format the drives. We have to completely destroy them. Normally we'd try to use a drill press if we have it. That's the best way to do it, but we don't have a drill press, so we're going to use the second best way, which is a hammer. What you want to do with a standard hard drive is, if you look at the top, there's always going to be a circular impression, and that's where the platters of the hard drive are. So you get yourself a nice little surface, you take your hammer, you aim for the circles, and you start whapping it like that a few times. Then you pick it up and you test it by shaking it. Oh, can't hear maracas inside, gotta hit it a bit more. Maracas. This hard drive is officially dead, and ain't nobody getting data back from it. An SSD is a little bit different. There's no circular impression, it's just all chips inside. So you just hit it a lot until it breaks. Springy little bastard. Woo, nearly busted it open.
Don't let the magic gas out.
Oh, it's too late, the magic gas.
No.
And there you have it. Good, quick, easy way, and actually quite a lot of fun way to dispose of old hard drives.